Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on statistics with Microsoft Excel. My name is Eric Kai and I've been working as a statistician in Canada for the past 8 years, and I currently work as a senior analyst in advanced analytics at Acosta in Toronto, Ontario. I'm providing this video for the Marketing Research and Intelligence Association, or MRIA, and in this video I will show you how to install the Data Analysis Toolpak in Microsoft Excel. The Data Analysis Toolpak is a very useful add-in that allows you to perform a variety of analyses in statistics, including ANOVA, t-tests, correlation, regression, and many more. As a statistician, I prefer to use programming languages like Python, R, MATLAB, SAS, or SQL to perform my analyses. However, if you are new to statistics or if you don't have a lot of experience with computer programming, then Microsoft Excel provides a useful point-and-click interface to get started. It's easily accessible for most people with a computer, and you can use it to get to know your data and do some basic analysis in statistics. And the Data Analysis Toolpak enhances that capability. Now, let's talk about how to install the Data Analysis Toolpak. I'm using the Windows operating system, and if you are using Excel in Windows, go to File on the top left, then go to the bottom to click Options. Click on Add-ins on the left near the bottom. Then on this page where it says Manage Excel Add-ins on the bottom, click Go. Click on the check mark for Analysis Toolpak, then click OK. This installs the Data Analysis Toolpak for you. And if you go to the Data ribbon, here is the Data Analysis Toolpak on the top right. If you click on this, you will see the full menu of analyses that you can do with this add-in. Notice that you'll see things like ANOVA, correlation, regression, t-test, and many more. To get a sense of how this add-in works, let's generate some random numbers with the random number generation and get the descriptive statistics for this data set. So click on the random number generation option and click OK. Now, in this dialog box, you can enter all of the options that you want for the type of data that you want to simulate. In this example, we will simulate one variable with 100 data points from the standard normal distribution, which means that it will have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. We will keep the output on this particular sheet. So we will click Output Range, and we will use this button to choose the cell A1 and all the cells below as the destination for this randomly generated data set. So click on this button again to go back to the dialog box. And now everything is ready. Click OK. And there is our randomly generated data set of 100 data points. Now, let's use the Data Analysis Toolpak again to get the descriptive statistics for this data set. Click on Data Analysis. Click on Descriptive Statistics. Click OK. We're going to choose column A as the input range. We do not have any column name, so we will leave this label in first row unchecked. We will put the descriptive statistics in cell C1, and we will get the summary statistics. Click OK, and there are the summary statistics. I will expand column C to get everything. And as you can see, we have the familiar descriptive statistics like the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum, the maximum, the sum, and the count. And that is a gentle introduction to installing the data analysis Toolpak and how this add-in works in terms of its basic interface. Now, if you are using Mac OS instead of Windows, then I encourage you to go to Google, search install Excel Data Analysis Toolpak to find the instructions for how to install it in your operating system. Click on this first search result, load the analysis Toolpak in Excel. This is the official documentation page from Microsoft. Scroll down and click on the tab for Mac OS, and here you will find all the instructions. And that concludes this first video on installing the Data Analysis Toolpak. In future videos, I will show you how to use some of the other analyses in the Data Analysis Toolpak in more detail, such as correlation and regression. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to click on the like and subscribe buttons down below, and also please leave a comment to tell us what you think. Again, my name is Eric Kai. This video is for the Marketing Research and Intelligence Association. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something useful today.